Somo. Yes, nikuulize. Do you really have a girlfriend?
Yes. In fact.
I have two girlfriends. Sorry. Kidogo. Hata nikuja tu ndio imemoka. Anyway, tuendelee tu yani. Haina shida. Sasa, unaona haya two girlfriends? Mmoja ananipenda sana na mimi simtaki. Do you know why? Obviously you don't know. My second girlfriend, nampenda sana. Yani she's my sweetheart, my baby girl, my honeymoon. Hapo pa honeymoon kwanza. So, wait. Are you normal?
I wonder.
Yes, I'm excessively very normal. In fact, hapo pa honeymoon, you are mad. Yes.
Not be juju be that. You be mumu.
Hey, kwani?
You are a mumu man.
Yani kucha inamoka, and uko tu like unajua kama Rosie. Rosie? Like how? Okay, nilimsalimia tu. Rembo mambo. And she was like, "Oh, that's so romantic. Poa sana. Mimi naitwa Rosie. Natokea South Sea. Nakuonaga ukishuka kwa match every week. But you won't tell me. But today I am very happy that you mudomo. Just like you. Yes, you.
Jesus!
And what did you say to her?
Dissolve!
Guy, you need some more. Okay, fine, bana. Let me tell you how romantic I was, taking a fancy story. Wait. How do you know that you are romantic? Exactly. Nilimnunulia maziwa. Guy. Where are you standing?
I am mumu too much. You are a mumu man.
Okay, fine. Na yeye ashikuandalia game. Hapo ndo tunaelekea sasa. Hapo. Okay, fine. Fanya hivi. Toa simu sahihi, mpigie, umuitishe direct. Kweli? In fact acha nimuitishe tu sahihi ukisikia.
It's about to go down. Oh, mumu not too much.
Babu, mambo. Shikamoo naenda wapi?
Photo.
Shikamoo.
You are a mumu man.
Okay. Ulikuwa unataka kumuitisha nini?
Photo.
Nataka namba. Nilikuwa nataka namba nimpigie at least. Kwani sasa unampigia na namba yake aje?
Jesus is Lord.
Ayele o ibosi o.